Om Shanti children. Today we are going to do area of sector and segment of a circle. Now, the portion or the part of the circular region enclosed by two radii and the corresponding arc is called the sector of the circle. Just see, these are the two radii and it is a portion of the part of a circular region and it is enclosed by two radii and the length of the arc. So this portion is called the sector of a circle. Clear to you? This portion is called the minor sector, and just see, this portion is what? This is a minor sector. The shaded region. And this unshaded region is your major sector. The length of the arc. Just see, what is the length of the arc? The length of the arc of the sector AC OACBO is equals to, now let the theta be the angle between this, the angle bounded by these two radii. Let this be theta. So what is the length of the arc of the sector of OACBO? It is theta upon 360 2 pi r. Okay, and area of a sector is equals to theta upon 360 pi r square. See, but if theta is equals to 30 degree, you put 30 here. If it is equals to 60 degree, you put 60 here. And as you know, the coordinate was 90. So I put 90 upon 360. It came to 1/4 of it. I think till here it is clear to you. Now the parameter of the sector OACBO will be equals to, you know what is the length of the arc? Length of the arc is this portion. This one. So it will be theta upon 360 2 pi r plus 2r. You know, this is the radius OA and OB. So I am talking about the parameter of this sector. Now, area of the minor sector. You know, area of the minor sector is the area of a sector. Now, if I say what is the area of a major sector, if you know the angle, you can write 360 minus theta upon pi r square. Otherwise, the area of the major sector will be area of a circle minus area of a minor sector. Now, what is a segment? Just see, this is the triangle, okay, and this is a chord. AB is a chord. Now, you know, this is a sector, AB is a chord. This portion is called the segment of a circle. So, area of a segment will be equals to, let this be O, right? So it will be area of a sector O A C B O. Let this point be C here anyway. So this is the sector minus area of triangle AOB. I think till here it is clear to you. Right now, what is the area of triangle AOB? Area of triangle AOB is equals to half r square sine theta. So area of a segment, and you know what is a segment? I told you segment is this portion only. It is, what can I write? A, C, B, A. So area of the segment ACBA, this shaded region, is equals to area of a sector minus area of the triangle ACB. So area of a triangle AOB is equals to half r square sine theta. Okay, I think it is clear to everyone. There is one example for you. The minute hand of a wall clock is 14 centimeter. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 1 minute. Now, you know how much angle it is making. It means in one sweep it is how much time? 60 minutes. So you know in 60 minutes the angle described by a minute hand is equals to 360 degree. So in 1 minute it will be equals to 360 divided by 60. How much will it come? It will come to 6 degree. The area swept by the minute hand in 1 minute is pi, that is theta upon 360. What is the angle theta? It is 6. So 6 upon 360 into value of pi is 22 by 7. Radius is given to you 14. You know 6 60s are and 7 2s is 14. When you solve, answer will come to 10 4 upon 15 centimeter square. I think it is clear till here. There is another example. A horse is placed for grazing inside a rectangular field. Now just see, it's a rectangular field, and you know rectangle makes 90 degree. You all know it is 70 meter by 52 meter. So this is 70 meter and this is your 52 meter. Now, and is threaded by one corner. See, it has been tied here in one corner, the horse. And the rope is 21 meter. Just see, it's going to go in this portion only. So what it is making? It is making a quadrant of a circle. A horse can graze only this portion. Right? On how much area can it graze? So you know what is the radius? the radius is equals to 21 meter because the rope is 21 meter long. So area of the field grazed by the horse. I told you the shaded portion, that is area of the quadrant of the circle of radius 21 meter. So it is equals to 1/4 pi r square. So it will be equals to 1/4 into 22 by 7 into 21 into 21 meter square, because meter into meter is meter square. 7 3s are 21, 2 2s are 2, 11s are, and it is coming to 693 upon 2 meter square, and it will come to 346.5 meter square. I think it is all clear to you, all of you. Okay? Now, thank you, class.